Ontario family pays more than $4,000 renting a water heater for 28 years. Berger said that he made several calls to Home Comfort, the company that owns the water heater, but he said he couldn't get through to a proper department to get a price on how much the buyout would be. This is again unbelievable. I remember seeing this story and hearing about it. It's crazy that this buyout is $4,000 over the last 28 years. A tank costs only about $1,800, and there's options out there for people to realize that they don't need to pay $4,000 over 30 years almost. They can just go out there, buy a tank outright, own it, or go on a fair monthly subscription if they want. But again, paying $4,000 for the last 30 years, that's just ridiculous.